Look kids, this is a princess. She is very happy. She is wearing a beautiful dress. She is cooking food like a good chef. Let's color our princess together. First, let's color her lips. You can use red or pink color. Let's color her face. Color slowly and nicely. Very good kids. Let's color her hair. You can use black, brown or yellow color. Very good. I am using brown color.
The wheels on the bus. Yeah! The horn on the bus goes beep 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 beep.
Now color her cheeks. Give her a little pink blush to make her look extra cute. Let's color her crown. I am using pink color. Let's color her neck and hands.
And down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down all through the town.
Let's color her dress. You can choose pink, blue or purple.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round.
I am using purple and pink color. Wow! Princess looks beautiful.
The wheels on the bus. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town.
The princess is standing near a stove. Let's color the stove. You can use grey or black.
The wheels on the bus. Yeah! The horn on the bus goes beep 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 beep.
Color the pan. I'm using sky blue color.
The town. The wheels on the bus.
This is a pot. Color the pot red. She is holding a spoon. Color the spoon. Very good.
And down, up and down. The people on the bus go
Let's color the window pink. See the shelf. There are bowls and jars. Color them with bright colors. Very good kids.
wheels on the bus go round and round all through the town. On the bus. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town.
Look how beautiful the princess looks. She made yummy food.